Hey guys! Today, I am meeting some of my work from home colleagues for a lunch buffet at Vikings in SM City Cebu. By the way guys, aside from being a part-time baker, I also work full-time in the BPO industry. We've been talking about catching up in person, and kaya here we are, natuloy na din. Tara, samahan niyo kami. Let's go! This is SM City Cebu, or we locals call it SM North, one of the city's most established shopping destinations. Sobrang nostalgic nito guys kasi ito yung first SM mall sa Cebu. Located nearby are Radisson Blue Hotel and Bayfront Hotel, making this area a convenient hub for both locals and visitors. It's been a while since my last visit, so I'm very excited to see what's new around the mall. Our destination today is Vikings Luxury Buffet. Sobrang excited na ako kasi first time ko dito sa Vikings. So let's see kung sulit pa talaga. Before we head inside, here's a quick look at their buffet rates and birthday promos. As a first-time visitor, I was honestly impressed by the variety of food available. There were so many stations to explore, guys, from local favorites to international dishes, grilled specialties, and even drinks. I found myself walking around several times before deciding what to get because ang dami talagang choices. From appetizers, salads, hot dishes, seafood, hanggang desserts. For my first plate, I decided to get a little bit of everything that caught my attention. But among all the dishes I tried, the creamy pasta toast inside a giant cheese wheel was my absolute favorite. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan nito guys, so if anyone knows the official name of this dish, let me know in the comment section. And of course guys, I couldn't live without getting some churros. Ang sarap niya guys, promise. I will truly try to bake this at home. For my drinks, I had guayabano juice, and to finish the meal, a nice cup of black coffee. To make the dining experience more entertaining, the Viking staff presented a lively dance number. Tapos nag-round sila sa mga tables para batiin yung mga birthday celebrants. So, was my first Vikings experience worth it? I'd say yes. The wide selection of food, the lively atmosphere, and the opportunity to catch up with friends made the experience even more enjoyable. After our meal, we bid goodbye with each other. Pero bago tayo umuwi, we took some time to explore the updates around SM City Cebu. I was happy to see more dining choices. And look guys, andito na rin pala sa Cebu ang favorite kong Mo cookies. Kaya lang di ko kaya tong i-replicate i-bake guys. Right beside them is the popular Din Tai Fung, which has also become a favorite among many food lovers. Another pleasant surprise was seeing several featured exhibits around the mall. It's always nice when shopping centers include creative displays that give visitors something interesting to stop and appreciate. As we get older, we realize that good food is enjoyable, but good company is even better. So don't forget to make time for family, friends, and the people who matter most. Thank you guys for joining me today, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring adventure. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!